Okay, so it's your activity class, and today we are doing reading of chapter 5 of your English literature book. So let's start, Shreya. Let's start reading.
There was lesson 5, the story of Louis Braille. There was a time not long ago when most pupils thought the blind pupils could never learn to read. People thought that the only way to read was to look at words with your eyes. A young French boy named Louis Braille thought otherwise blind from the age of 3. Young Louis wanted to the read. He released the vast world of thought and ideas that was looked out to him because of the disability, and he was determined to find the key to this door for himself and for all other blind people.
Okay, now wait, Shreya. Okay, now wait. And the word in the yellow highlight, it is disability. What is the pronunciation of this word? Is disability. Disability.
Disability.
And it is determined. Disability and determined. Okay, focus on your pronunciation, everyone. Okay, next is Anshika Tripathi. Anshika Tripathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read from this paragraph, this story. Third paragraph. This story.
Was determined to find the key to this door for himself and for all other blind people. This story begins in the early part of the 19th century. Louis Braille was born in 1809 in
Anshika,
a
Anshika, it's Louis Braille. क्या word लिखा है? Louis Braille.
yes, ma'am.
Now
In a
start.
small village near Paris, his father made harnesses, saddles, and other leather goods to sell to the other villagers. Liu's father often used sharp tools to cut and punch holes in the leather.
Okay, now
One
wait.
of the
Now
tools
Anshika, wait. Now wait. Okay. Now next is Vishal Bhandari. Vishal Singh Bhandari.
yes, ma'am.
Vishal, now read the next paragraph, the last paragraph of page number 39. One of the tools.
To cut and punch holes in the leather. One of the tools he used to make holes was a sharp edge, and a tool that looks like a soft pointed stick with a round wooden handle. While playing with one of his father's toys, and he accidentally to adapt and learned to lead on otherwise normal life.
Not otherwise, is otherwise.
Otherwise normal life. He went to school with all his friends and did well in his studies. He was intelligent, creative, and hardworking. He was not going to let his dis- disability slow him down one bit.
Yes. Next one. Yes. Next paragraph.
As he grew older, he realized that his small school at attendance did not have the money and the resources he needed. He heard of a school in Paris that was specially for blind students. Leo did not have to think twice about going. He packed his bags and went off to find himself a good education.
Okay, now wait, Rudra. Now wait. Okay, Aradhya
मैम जी
Tiwari.
हम पढ़े
Rudra, wait, please. Aradhya Tiwari. Aradhya Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read from the
Ma'am,
next
teacher.
paragraph, Aradhya. When he arrived.
Okay, when he arrived at the special school for the build, he
Blind.
asked
It's
his
blind.
teacher.
Aradhya. It's blind, not bind. It's blind.
Okay. Teacher, if the school had books and blind people to read, Laus found
Louis.
that
It's
the
Louis.
school
Louis found that
did have books for the blind to read.
Okay.
मैम फिर आगे पढ़े.
Yes, next paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. These books had large letters that were
Not where, beta. It's Aradhya. It's were, not where. ये were लिखा है बेटा, where नहीं लिखा है. इसको were कहते हैं. W-E-R-E were.
Okay. Ma'am, फिर their books had large letters that were reside up of the page. Since the letters
Since, not
were
science.
so
Shreya, wait. Science की spelling क्या होती है? What is the spelling of the science? ये science की spelling है. Wait करो.
Ma'am, SCINCE.
ठीक है. तो ये science नहीं
Ma'am,
लिखा है. ये
ये
science since लिखा है. क्या है ये? Since.
since since the letter since the letters were so big, the book themselves were large and be blankly.
Bulky. It's
More
bulky. Bulky.
importantly,
Aradhya, it's bulky.
more importantly, the books were expensive to buy. The school had actually 14 of them.
Okay, now Aradhya, wait. Aradhya, here is a word which is W-E-R-E. क्या word लिखा है? W-E-R-E. हम इसको where नहीं बोलते हैं. It is were. क्या है? Repeat after me. Were. And the spelling of where is W-H-E-R-E. Is where. We called it were and we called it where. Okay? So focus on your pronunciation. Okay, Rudra Tomar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tomar.
Could only hold one or two sentences. Louis knew that he could improve this alphabet in some way. On his next vacation home, he would spend all his time working on finding a way to make this
Improvement.
when he arrived home for school.
Okay, now wait, beta. Now wait.